What do you think are the biggest challenges women in IT face? The first thing is for sure unconscious bias and everyday discrimination, which happens definitely not on purpose, at least in most cases. In IT, this is particularly relevant. Of course, you have this in many industries, but because the percentage of women in the industry is so low, it's maximum 20% in Poland, these issues are magnified. The lack of role models and the lack of female leaders is a problem in terms of self-confidence and entitlement. Maybe you're not meant to be there either, or that as a woman you're just less good and that you need to push yourself a little bit harder to get there. Many are talking why we need more women and that we need more women in IT, but we are still lacking action and to really do something about this. What improvements did you notice in the last few years? People are much more aware of gender issues and diversity issues in IT. I definitely see new things coming up and this topic being discussed more openly, more intensely than before. So what is the vision of Dare IT? We aim to solve the diversity and the talent gap in the IT industry in one go. So we support women in finding their first job in IT, while we're working with companies to help them fill their vacancies. Create visibility for women in the tech industry to create those role models that we are still lacking. We share knowledge with each other. They have an opportunity to network with 127 mentees and 120 mentors. Poland's largest mentoring program in IT by now. What do you think can be done to help women in tech thrive? The first step to changing behavior is always to become aware of how you act and what you do. Make yourself, make your team, make your company aware what kind of biases are out there, how they manifest themselves, and catch yourself when you know you're falling into the bias trap. Basically, walk the talk. Don't talk about paying equal wages, create a compensation plan that makes subjective interpretation of skills much harder. Don't just sponsor a Women in Tech initiative, get involved, provide mentors, provide training, provide specific jobs. How can we support one another as women in IT? Lift each other up. It's very hard to speak up for yourself, but it's much easier to speak up for others. Be the first to check yourself on your biases. Someone told me that a foundation got a new CEO, and my first association was thinking that this is a man, and effectively turned out to be a woman. So I caught myself right away, join mentoring and networking groups, build your network to connect and actually to leverage this later on in your career. Share your knowledge and choose to mentor more junior people. It's actually an extremely enriching experience also for you.